Hello, this is Randy again for SaveJamaica.com. I have here a pleasant lady, Miss Brown, she calls herself, but she makes something very special for Jamaica. I think these are one of a kind. She calls them Jasmine
Fashion.
She calls them Jasmine Fashion. So now, tell me, Jasmine, when did you start make these special items?
Well, I started about 15 years back and find it very interesting, and people love them a lot.
What inspired you?
Well, what inspired me? Well, I see in them, the people like them a lot, and we do good business with them.
Did your mother teach you? Who teach you how to knit?
We just fashion design with them.
In school?
Special, no, at home.
At home?
Yeah.
You learn everything yourself?
And
And one day you say, I have to make some shoes.
I specialize in a bathsuit, but I should show you a bathsuit.
You have bathsuits?
Yes.
The whole fashion line.
Yeah, I'll show you a bathsuit.
So these are the shoes from Jasmine Fashion. Fashion designer.
Right.
And me have one right there, so
Yes.
I go get my money and make sure me get that Jamaican one here.
Right.
1 in a million. Only king can wear them here shoes here. And I go zoom in on the website. See the website there, Jasmine Fashion. You can buy the shoes at, look here, earthcultureroots.com. And these are country people now. We in a Mandeville. And this is Randy coming for you. Look here, so. Lord God, me never see shoes like this yet. A king shoes them here.
No, sir. Yeah. Put out the wall and I stick them up there and enough.
So let me see something else.
And this is the bathing suit for all the sex.
A bathing suit that?
Yes.
Oh, well, say, how long it take to make that?
Huh?
How long it take to make that? Eh?
1 a day.
1 a day? So yeah, about probably 10 or 15. Lord God,
This is the
but that can't fit you, Jasmine.
I gotta do that. Hey, what they call over here for?
No, sir, that look like something for. Now go buy. How much for that one there?
This? How much are it? 10 or 1 dozen?
How much for that one? I know somebody when my parents can buy it for. Let me see it.
They're not going to set you up sure you're sexy for that one.
Lord, just I want in the world business them here.
I said to be bad so true you're sexy.
I'm going to get some money. I would have thought this a carry water. So right in front of the fashion house you have donkey and water head. And one shadow of fashion. Jamaica no easy.
Jamaica big up. We are big up in our fashion, shoes, bath suit, marina.
Look on the shoes I'm wear today. Yeah. So, Lord, Jasmine Fashion. You're big now.
Yes.
Let me zoom in for your website again. May I promote it?
My website,
earthcultureroots.com. 15 South Coast Highway, Oceanside, California, 92054. This is the shop there.
Yeah.
People can go online and get some of the fashion. We're promoting her for SaveJamaica.com because you're definitely. I have to buy one and she just step in at the airport and them are going to say, Lord God, them are come from Jamaica, you're better. I like it, I really like it because it's unique. Let me see the suit there.
How could I find somebody with 50 yarn pants?
I have somebody up on fire and they can't fit
No,
it.
man, if it's this big.
What? How much you sell that for?
Very sexy. If you go buy shoes, you get it for $1,500.
Oh, bad. Because special made. Is it on the website too?
Yep,
Different size?
different size.
No color.
Anybody want them? You can just write at that address there.
So you just stay home and just deal with this?
Yeah.
Alright, so...
I'm not going to look, see I got PG up on me doing it, hide me behind.
No bother with that. At least you tell me. You have your website, your official. So this is Randy again signing off. And me that look on the shoes. Me I go online go get for me. Make sure them SaveJamaica.com too. And link up with Jasmine Fashion. Me a promote her. Look on the shoes, sir. Lord God. I go promote you, man. No worry about it. I go when you start to the other then pick up, you say, Ran must do sitting. I go launch out, man. Come, Mr. Say.
Me, I want to shot. We are going to put your arm.
You have a what?